Hey guys, what's up? So Nokia has been gearing up to launch the 9.3 PureView flagship, and in the last video we discussed how Nokia may be the first company to launch an under-display camera technology and the 108 megapixel sporting penta camera setup. Now some more details have surfaced online. According to the insider, Nokia is working on 8K video recording for the Nokia 9.3 PureView. In fact, some prototype phones already have the feature and can capture 8K video at 30 frames per second. So Nokia wants to one-up Samsung by giving a smoother 30 frames per second video, with the Galaxy S20 series only supports up to 24 FPS. Now not a lot of people are into 8K video as of now, but it is a great feat nonetheless. The source cautions though that this is an experimental feature and will only make it to the final device when all tests are good. HMD is still working on finalizing the camera and editing algorithms. Nokia is also working hard on some popular modes like night mode and pro mode. The pro mode might see enhanced controls and refined algorithms, while the night mode will mostly favor from the bigger pixel size and OIS. Moreover, Zeiss is also working with Nokia in fine-tuning exclusive Zeiss effects, which should give the phone an upper hand compared to the competition. So Nokia seems to be paying a lot of attention to the cameras. They've also dropped their partnership with Light and are now working with a company named Finish. Hopefully we'll see amazing cameras on the Nokia 9.3 PureView. Moving on, we have the first phone with a quantum random number generator chipset. The Galaxy A Quantum is a rebranded Galaxy A71 5G exclusive to SK Telecom in South Korea. The phone uses the SKT IDQ S2Q000, which is the smallest QRNG chipset developed by SK Telecom's subsidiary ID Quantique. It generates random numbers through quantum crypto technology and creates secure keys that cannot be predicted, thus enhancing the security of the device. The Galaxy A Quantum swaps the Snapdragon 730 chipset in favor of Samsung's own Exynos 9860 chipset. The QRNG chipset enhances the security of various applications such as SK Pay and more. The company plans to expand the use of QRNG chipset and enhance security for more services in the future. As to how the QRNG chipset works, the chip uses a CMOS image sensor and an LED. The CMOS image sensor is used to capture the quantum randomness from the image noise that is emitted by the LED. Also in the news, Mediatek is planning to launch yet another chipset in the Dimensity series of 5G chips. The company has sent invites for 18th May in China. While the name of the chipset is not known yet, it may be the Dimensity 800 Plus, as the company has already launched Dimensity 1000 Plus a few days ago. The 800 Plus is expected to be an overclocked version of the Dimensity 800 5G SoC, which is an upper mid-range chip with 4 Cortex A76 cores and 4 Cortex A55 cores, all running at 2 GHz speed. Even Qualcomm has updated the Snapdragon 765G chipset in the form of the Snapdragon 768G, which is said to have 15% CPU and GPU boost over the Snapdragon 765G SoC, with the Cryo 475 Prime core clocked at 2.8 GHz, up from 2.4 GHz. It brings support for Bluetooth version 5.2 compared to version 5 on the predecessor, along with updatable GPU drivers, just like the flagship Snapdragon 865. Xiaomi has already teased that the Redmi K30 Extreme Edition will have this SoC. What's interesting is that the 768G is both pin and software compatible with the 765 and 765G chipsets, so OEMs can easily swap the older chips in favor of the new ones. Last but not the least, Realme has crossed 35 million users worldwide, and out of which 21 million are from India in just 2 years of time. Realme will be launching 8 new products on 25th May, out of which one will be a gaming-centric phone with an internal code name Runnerblade. The device certainly looks good for a gaming device as is seen in these photos. That's it for this video. Drop your thoughts in the comment section about 8K video recording. Is it something that excites you, or is it just a gimmick to you? Also hit the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.